ମାତୃଭୂମି ମାତୃଭାଷାର ମମତା ଯା ହୃଦେ ଜନମି ନାହିଁ ତାକୁ ଯଦି ଜ୍ଞାନୀ ଗଣରେ ଗଣିବା ଅଜ୍ଞାନ ରହିବେ କାହିଁ। The meaning of this quotation is in a particular position you have some vernacular language and you have some mother tongue. At the time you are feeling shame to talk the mother tongue in a proper way, or you are feeling something downwards if you are saying your mother language. That means if you are not respecting your mother language, that means you are not be able to be say that you are educated. Wishing you all, my dear, your host Ranjan Giri this side, and today I am going to discuss about a term English. This term is clearly defined that English means English plus Hindi. We can describe in a other language with adding some other languages like Hindi, English plus Odia, it is English, and some other language you can add this. So in this way we can find that when we are getting some conversation with someone, some people, we are feeling at the time we are most educated people and we use some English languages in this conversation to take some weight of this conversation and saying people that we are educated. In this conversation, we are normally talking with our own language, mother language. In that time, some people are saying in a way that he are most educated and he is adding some English languages with his mother tongue and some other languages with his mother tongue. It's like this. He is just saying that I'm educated, but actually the educated people are saying only in his mother tongue or the tongue, only in the tongue or in the language which are they comfortable, not the mixing all the languages. It's like this. We are disrespecting the language one to another. That's why we are mixing up. That means we are neither confident in the mother language nor confident in our other languages, maybe English, Hindi, and other languages. We are not fluent speaking, or we are not confident in this language to talk, but we are adding these languages because of we are showing that we are educated. As like this, you may have seen that you may heard a quotation like empty pot sound a loud. That means a empty pot which have no water in this pot, this can sound a lot than a full of pot, because the empty pot has nothing. That's why he is saying something that I have something in my way. But the pot which is actually have full of water, this is not saying that I have water. When the people are putting it off, this is always clarify, this is clarify its own that this have some weight, and that's why the pot is full of water. It's like this, the people are adding some value to the conversation, that's why they are mixing up the languages. That is not the real meaning of education. Education is something, that's why you are fluent in some languages, any languages you can prefer this, and you are most be able to fluent in these languages, and you have to conversation from starting to end, you have to take this language only for this conversation. That's why you can respect our languages and can take some advantages of these languages. After this I want to rest my word here, and I want to see you in this platform. That's why you are saying your perspective of you in this topic. Thank you.